The night you decided to stay, the wind outside threatened to bear the world away. We stayed awake, hearing it clatter and groan. On our first night, I wish that I were alone. The night you decided to stay, my once neat sheets bound us in twisted disarray. I drifted off, hearing our breathing conjoin, then woke again to feel your knee in my groin. Why do people sleep together? What happened to sex and nothing more? Hateful how love loves to hover above your bed till 4. The night you decided to stay was done at last. Here arrived another day. We stayed in bed, wondering where this would go. Then saw outside, it had begun to snow. Gently, gently, almost imperceptibly, to snow.